If you've been searching for a way to boost your SEO game, you might have come across Outranking. But is this AI SEO tool really worth your time and money? Let's dive into what it offers and whether it lives up to the hype. Outranking is designed to help users optimize their content for search engines more effectively. At its core, it combines AI technology with SEO best practices to give you actionable insights and suggestions for improving your website's visibility. The user interface is relatively straightforward, making it accessible for both beginners and more experienced marketers. One of the standout features is its ability to analyze top-ranking pages and provide recommendations on how to outperform them. It also offers keyword research tools and content briefs, which can save you a lot of time when creating new content. However, some users might find the learning curve a bit steep if they're not already familiar with SEO concepts. While the tool aims to streamline the optimization process, I noticed that some functionalities felt a bit scattered, and it could be overwhelming for newcomers. Overall, it's geared towards content creators and marketers looking to enhance their SEO strategies, but clarity on its full capabilities could be improved. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, Outranking offers a robust set of features that can really enhance your SEO efforts, especially if you're looking for data-driven insights. The AI-powered recommendations can save time and help you focus on content that's more likely to rank well. However, there are some downsides. For one, the pricing can be a bit steep for smaller businesses or individual creators. Additionally, while it has many features, some users might find the interface cluttered or unintuitive, which could lead to frustration. And let's not forget the fact that there's limited transparency about how the AI generates its suggestions, which might raise some eyebrows for those who value clear methodologies. Overall, while Outranking may be beneficial for seasoned marketers, it might not be the best fit for everyone. In conclusion, Outranking could be a solid choice if you're serious about improving your SEO and are willing to invest in a comprehensive tool. However, if you're just starting out or have a tight budget, you might want to explore some alternatives. It's worth trying, but just be aware of its limitations before diving in.